Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about very important topics, that is internet and HTTP. This video is made due to the request of my one of the subscriber is Are you okay? So thank you Are you okay? Well, let's start now. We already know about the internet so much. We are using the different features of the internet, different services of the internet. But actually, what is internet and how does it work? Today we are going to discuss on that topic. So let's start. Internet. Internet means network of network. That means millions of computers and devices all around the world are connected together by the help of different communication media, that is called internet. So internet means we can say it is the global connection of the computers. We know computer networking. Computer networking means connection of two or more computers to share the data and resources. That may be in small places, that may be inside an office or in a local area. But internet means all the networks all around the world are again connected to create a huge network, to develop a global network, that is called internet. So internet technology, it refers to the devices, software, hardware and transmission protocols which are used to connect the computers together in order to receive or send data from one computer to another within a small network. So from a small network to the large network, computer internet can connect two or more computers or devices. So we can define the internet as an information superhighway from where we can access the information over the web. We know web means the contents which are in the server system of the internet. So internet is like a superhighway, the large path where many devices connection occur every second and every time. It is the worldwide global system of interconnected computer networks. So network of networks means worldwide global connection of computer networks. It uses the standard internet protocol called transmission control protocol, TCP/IP. So the basic protocol is TCP/IP. When the internet connection happens, we can say TCP/IP, transmission control protocol, is used for controlling the transmission, and IP is to recognize the devices in the internet, because every device gets the IP address. So about IP address, about TCP/IP, we go on discussing on the further topics. So when was the internet originated? Then let's discuss. The origin of the internet is to be in during 1970s. The networking concept was first implemented by the US Department of Defense. You know, US Army, one of the department, DOD, Department of Defense, they wanted to create some very secret communication between the devices, and this project, ARPA project, Advanced Research Project Agency, this agency sometimes called DARPA also, Defense Advanced Research Project Agency, and this agency developed one networking called ARPANET, ARPANET, Advanced Research Project Agency Network, in 1970s. So ARPANET became a first internet connection that connected different departments of the US Army, different computers located in different cities. So they first implemented that, and after that other organizations also, other systems also, they started following the internet applications like email, news group, file transfer protocol, remote login. They were developed, and different companies, universities, they started using these features of the internet. So then after 1990s, after the development of www, World Wide Web, and after the development of HTML by Tim Berners-Lee, the websites and web pages were very easier to develop, and after the development of web browsers, the use of internet was very popular among the public. Okay, this is about the internet. Now let's discuss about HTTP. Okay, what is HTTP? Actually, protocols. Protocols means the set of rules, the set of instructions that guide the communication in the internet. There are several devices in the internet. There are millions of devices in the internet. And each device are engaged in the communication. But also the communication is in the fixed guideline. Communication is occurring in the standard guideline. No any message goes to the wrong device. This is all due to the protocols. Among them, HTTP is the basic protocol that helps us to access the HTML documents. You know HTML documents? When you open any browser, we start accessing the HTML documents. So that is controlled by the HTTP. So HTTP is a protocol which allows the fetching of resources such as HTML documents. It is the foundation of any data exchange on the web, and it is a client server protocol. That means it makes the communication between client and server. We are the clients. When you visit any web browser, you are the client and server is somewhere where the data is stored. Which means requests are initiated by the recipient, usually the web browser. Web browser initiates our request. A complete document is reconstructed from the different sub-documents fetched. For instance, text, layout description, images, video, scripts and more. So HTTPS can handle these different types of contents, sub-documents. Like inside the document, inside a page there may be text, there may be descriptions, images, video, scripts, animations, etc. More and more. So let's see here. Okay, how does the HTTP works? So HTTP is working between the web server and the web document. The transmission from web server to client side, from the web server to the browsers, happens due to the HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Well, now let's discuss more on HTTP. Actually, what is HTTP? So HTTP is the set of rules for transferring files such as text, images, sound, video and other multimedia files over the web. Web means through the websites, through the web pages. As soon as the user opens their web browser, they are indirectly using HTTP. So HTTP starts working when you start using the web browser. HTTP is an application protocol that runs on the top of the TCP/IP suite of protocols. Well, we discussed about TCP/IP little. So TCP/IP runs below the HTTP. So when the connection is happening between the devices, TCP/IP works. Then when the files or documents are being transferred through the browsers, HTTP works. So HTTP is on the top of the TCP/IP. TCP/IP forms the foundation of the internet, and HTTP makes that foundation more reliable and more interactive. The latest version of HTTP is HTTP/2, which was published in May 2015. Well, so this is about the HTTP. This is about basic introduction to the HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Hope this video is useful to you. Thank you very much. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it and share the contents if you feel fruitful to others.